Field trip number 20. Field trip number 20. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Levier and I'm at the MacSkimming Outdoor Education Centre and it is May 2nd, 2021. Come with me and let's see what we get to see today. Midland painted turtle. Heron way out there. There he is, I see him. Out on the river. Hi little bee. Like the dandelion?
You're lazy, huh?
Here we have a yellow birch. Look at that awesome bark. There's a fox family hiding underneath this building with baby kits. We've been waiting and waiting, but unfortunately we haven't seen any. But I'm sure that they'll be out later. Here we have a beautiful club moss. In ancient times, these guys were the size of a maple tree. Now they're much smaller. Beautiful. This is the time of year that everything comes in flower. Here we have a giant millipede. Look at how they roll up. They roll up like an ammonite. Look at all the little legs. Look over here, everyone. Here is a red trillium. Is that ever beautiful? Look at the red color. These only come out in early May. The red trillium. Here's another species of trillium. This one has two colors on it. It's a beauty. Just found here a red-backed salamander. Nice wiggly guy. Look at him. Beauty. Look at how long his tail is. This looks like Christmas fern. One of the many species of fern around here.